guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, hello. So today we're gonna do a makeup like get ready with me video. I'm not at home, so kind of awkward like setup kind of. Also my nails aren't done, so we can just ignore that, but I want to show you guys kind of like my go-to full kind of glamish makeup look that I've been doing lately, and it's with some old favorites products. But first I'm gonna put my hair up because I can't really do my makeup with my hair down. First though, I'm gonna put some chapstick on because my lips are like kind of gross. This is just the Lancome. Ooh, I am a whole beauty guru. Look at this. Oh, and it's not even in focus, but it's just Lancome Juicy Shaker. I've been mixing primers lately just because I usually like to put like a glitter, like a shimmer down on my skin and a primer. So I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance, just liquid Radiance highlighter drops. This one is in the color Glow Girl, and I'm just using some e.l.f. face primer. This one, I don't even know, it's just the clear one. Shake this up some. Pour this on my face. I kind of add a lot to my face, honestly. For foundation, which I've been loving, but it's like an oldie but goodie, the L'Oreal Total Cover like Infallible. Love it. It's super high coverage. I'm using mine in the color Caramel Beige. Mixing it with Maybelline. Ooh, Maybelline and L'Oreal, mix of both worlds. Better Skin foundation in the color Soft Tan. And lately I've just been using a brush to apply it. Concealer, tested, tried and true, Milani in number 2 Natural. For this, I use a little baby beauty blender. And just blend. And I've been using a dry beauty blender just so that it doesn't soak up and like thin out. And I'm using Ben Nye powder and Rose Petal first underneath my eyes, and I go in with a separate beauty blender that is dry. Then I'm going in with my favorite contour, cream contour lately. It is just foundation actually, Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Walnut cream contour, and then go in with a brush, the war paint, you know. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This one is in the number 30 medium. I just set my face using just like a flat brush. I'm just gonna set my entire face with this. And I just push it into my skin. And I kind of like to add it to my eyelids also to kind of set them. And I usually go around powder underneath my eye because this obviously is like the color of my skin tone, and I want under my eyes to be lighter. And yes, we go over top of the contour because that was just like the base, the cream, and we're gonna powder contour also. Now we're gonna powder contour. So I got a new brush to powder contour with. This is like a tried and true holy grail go-to. I don't usually bring stuff that like I would care about breaking. So usually like I like to travel with drugstore products. So drugstore must-haves all the way. I'm just using 2 different colors for my contour like I usually do. I've mentioned these multiple times before. There's the Black Radiance pressed powder. I think it's actually like a setting powder, but obviously it's for darker skin. So I use 2 different colors. So I'm gonna go in first with the lighter color, which is the Golden Almond, and the darker color is the Cafe. So first we're gonna go with the golden almond first. Heavy. Did this and just like contour out. I don't know why I usually like to like kind of press in powders first before I start like brushing around. And see, I usually use what's kind of left on my brush to do like my jawline. So there's this side. Try to like We see a difference? I didn't do my nose yet though because I want to use a smaller brush. And now still focusing on my face, I'm gonna go in with this before I move to my nose. This is just usually how I do it. So the darker color, I'm gonna only go like a little bit on my brush. Usually I try to focus it like in the center of my brush, and I just like dab kind of lightly and then shake it off. Like you can see how much is like shook my brush. And then I focus it just at the top, underneath my cheekbone, and then kind of blend around. But I focus it like barely in on my brush. Focus it right here and then start pulling it around and then blend. So again, barely any. Now for my nose, and to kind of start with my eyes, I usually always contour my eyes as well, kind of like a base and like a start for my eyeshadow also, but I always contour my eyes. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and this one is just a BH Cosmetics number 12. So again, I'm gonna go in with the lighter color of my contour first, focus on my nose, and I go in a little heavier with this color. Go down my nose, around this edge right here, and I bring it all the way up on this bone and like into my eyebrows, and then just really blend through here into my brows. And then since I'm using this color, this lighter color first, I'm gonna dab in here and just put this all over my eyelids first. And this is, again, like I said, like my go-to, my current easy, fast look. And then I start pulling it into my crease to start contouring out my eyes. So I'm gonna go a little heavier, obviously, in the outer corner and my crease. And yes, I do this before my brows. I usually do my brows last, just how I do it. So again, all over my lid first, trying to go around my lashes and then into my crease. Now we go into the darker color, lightly for my nose, very lightly for my nose. And again, light-handed, start contouring out my nose. Very lightly, very lightly. I'm trying to focus it on the top of my nose. Now I can go in heavier because I'm gonna add it to my eyes, so now we can add a lot. And I just go the outer corner and my crease. I have this like brush hair. And just really blend. Easy, easy eye look. Done with our contour. I do like a brightening powder again to like reset under my eyes and everything, and to go around my contour. So for this one though, I always say this, it's in the Bare Minerals containers, but it's actually Ben Nye. So this is the Ben Nye banana powder, all-time fave. So again, I'm gonna put this in the little lid, and again, using my dry beauty blender, I'm going to put this under my eye and really pack it on. I'm going like right underneath my contour on my nose too, to kind of shape around that. And I go kind of down onto my cheeks as well to like make this nice little whole area bright right there and out. And then I'm gonna go a little bit right here, down my nose, and obviously my chin. I'm really careful when I go down my nose though, because I want to keep it right on the bridge of my nose and not go too far down on my nose. So I want to put some on my chin. Maybe I won't put any on my chin today, but I'm going to also cut out right underneath my contour. Really thickens that up underneath my contour. I don't go the whole way. Now time for the eyebrows finally. So first I'm gonna dust off this little bit that's just right here on my forehead and just kind of blend all of that around. clear the space to do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm just using another drugstore product. It's just the Wet n Wild actually. Probably doesn't even show. The Wet n Wild's Kohl eyeliner actually. This one is in the color 303A, I think. Sima Brown. These are like $1. I'm sure I've done a video on how to do my brows before. How I do my brows. Use my brush to blend it. This little like square brush. Perfect. Why did I hear them talking about shrimp and prawn? Is it supposed to be a funny movie? Yeah. Oh. No wonder it sounds stupid. My eyebrows done. They're probably uneven. I'm actually just gonna go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter, but I'm gonna use the purple just on my fingers. And just kind of sit this on my lid. And kind of like the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with like the middle part, to like silver. Focus it more in like the inner corner part. Cool. And that's the eye look. So now I'm gonna brush away by Bake this and just kind of blend it on the bottom. Creases right there. And my nose. Brush some of that off. Blend. Now I've been liking doing my highlighter before my blush lately, so I'm just gonna go in first with some ColourPop. This is just the Super Shock Cheek in the color Monster. Just using my finger again, and I'm just gonna put this where I would put, you know, my highlighter, just as like a base for my highlight. And for my highlight, more Wet n Wild, the Mega Glow highlighting powder. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it, huh? It's in the color Blossom Glow. Just with like a normal brush. I like to use like a really poofy brush for my highlight. Then for blush, just going in with the NYX Ombre blush. This one's the color Strictly Chic. I brought orange. I'm just gonna go a little bit under the nose too. Just a teeny bit. Only because I just got this, I'm gonna add a little bit of this under my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna spray my face with setting spray first. So I'm just using more Wet n Wild, the Mega Glow Face Mist. This is a brand new one. Shake it up. I'm gonna make sure this mist is okay. Alright. Fan. My lips, I'm actually just going to use a lip liner and probably like kind of fill it all the way in. This is just the NYX lip liner in the color Beige. Usually if I have like a darker color for my lips, I can really like go like this over my Cupid bow and like really cover it up and like kind of mute it out so that my lips look bigger. Yeah, that is like the go-to look lately. Pull my hair down. And then usually I would have to get some of the foundation like powder. It looks because it gets my makeup all in it. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this whole get ready with me, kind of like my go-to glam-ish everyday glam that I've been into lately. So bye guys.